Test for question 1. So, on average, how many kilometres will 1 litre of petrol allow her to travel for? Well, we're told that we've got enough fuel to travel for 40 kilometres. How much fuel have we got? We've got 8 litres. We want to see how far we could go on 1 litre, so scaling this back, dividing this back by 8. 40 divided by 8 is 5. So we can go 5 kilometres for every 1 litre of petrol. So how much does 1 litre of petrol cost? Well, we're told that £8.80 bought 8 litres. Well, we want to know how much 1 litre is, so we're dividing by 8. 8.80 divided by 8 is £1.10. So how many litres of petrol could Jenny buy for £110? Well, we know that 1 litre costs £1.10. So £110, which is 100 times as much money, would buy us 100 litres. So, due to an engine fault, Jenny finds she can only travel a quarter of the distance she expected to. If she had 40 litres of petrol in a tank, how far can she travel? Well, let's start off by seeing how far we would expect to be able to go with 40 litres. Okay. Now we know that 40 kilometres we can do if there was no fault with 8 litres. 40 kilometres, 8 litres. 40 kilometres, 8 litres. So how far could we go if there was no fault with 40 litres? Well, that's 5 times as much. 5 times as much petrol, 5 times as many litres. So we can go 5 times as far. So if there was no fault, we would expect to be able to go 5 lots of 40, which is 200 kilometres. However, because of the fault, we can only go a quarter of this. What's a quarter of 200? Well, that's 50. We can only go 50 kilometres.